All of these consumer units have an IP rating of 65, but which one is actually waterproof? Now, these installations that I carry out for you are largely based on trust. This is you putting trust in me and the products that I use and the products that I advise. So today I'm going to show you that if I tell you that I'm going to be installing a waterproof consumer unit, then I will be installing a waterproof consumer unit. I've got 3 consumer units here and I'm going to put them through their paces with the Karcher pressure washer, delivering 130 bars worth of pressure. This first one is made by BG. This next one is made by Whitecliffe Electrical, and this last one is Famatel, which you can buy in Toolstation. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'm going to dry the outside of these consumer units off, and then we'll take the lids off and see how they held up. So we do have water integration on the outside here, but we have a gasket here and it's completely dry on the inside of that where it's sealed in the lid. Okay, inside, dry as a bone. As you can see in the BG consumer unit, there are no signs of water integration, so BG consumer unit, pass. Consumer unit number 2, the Whitecliffe Electrical, let's have a look. So again, you can see there's water inside the lid, but again they have this gasket and it's completely dry inside, which is what we want to see. Inside the Whitecliffe Electrical consumer unit, as you can see, completely dry again. Whitecliffe Electrical, pass. Okay, and finally we have the Famatel consumer unit. Let's see how it got on. Inside gasket, once again, completely dry. It's a good start. Once again, completely dry. 3 out of 3. So all 3 of these products have passed the 130 bar pressure washer test. I'm going to be putting more of the products that I use through their paces, and if there's anything that you want me to test out for you, just leave a comment in the description below. Also in the description below you'll see a link which will take you to my website. Now here you can browse all of the tools that you've seen me use today and in previous videos, and they're all available for you to buy. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel.